Mm. I'm putting on Crocs so that I'll be super comfy. Since it's a walk, then the Crocs will do. And off we go.
All the crazy shit I did in the night. Those would be the best, never in the night. Those would be the best, never in the night. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best, never be in the night. Hey,
Oh my god!
आपको पता है जरूरत है हम सब लोगों के लिए सबसे अच्छा है तो एक बार पुलिस विभाग के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाकर उनका स्वागत करें, अभिनंदन करें और जरूरत ना पड़े हमको कभी साथ में हमारे बीच श्री सुरेंद्र कुमार जी हैं BSF में, उनका भी हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ, अभिनंदन करता हूँ। और सर बहुत अच्छा लगा, हम सुबह सुबह अपना समय निकाल कर यहाँ तक पहुँचे और ये जो
let's go!
That one got stuck there.
Let's start. I'm start.
Hurry, where is your face? I know you don't want to show in my video.
But I'm very tired. Oh my goodness.
Tired is I told you I'm sweating.
My bones
Yo.
are shaking right now.
Your bones are shaking. It's been more than 3 kilometers already.
Yeah.
And to think that we're still going to walk home. So prepare. We're going back now.
I need to stand in the shower.
No, we're going to sit for like 30 minutes first before we start walking back home. Woo. The last people. The ambulance is behind us. Don't fear, don't fear. We're not the last. See people behind us. Oh yeah. Brisk walk, brisk walk.
Jessica, are you doing this?
I want to run. If they're going to give position for the last people that come, we're going to collect it.
No.
You know how to collect?
Thanks for trying, guys.
They'll give us gift for the last people. But we're not the last, Joe. Okay, let me see behind.
4 or 5.
No, but we're not the last now. See the ambulance service behind us. There are people behind us. We're not the last. Don't fear. Goodie bag, sandwich, cookies. There's a drink there and an apple. Yeah. Going for a Nigerian party. My first Nigerian party. Yes. Yeah. First Nigerian party in India. Of course, as a Nigerian, I'm going for the food.
It's even my first time.
A baby dedication. Imagine a baby dedication in India is in the night. This is a night event. The baby is gonna be sleeping by this time. The baby we're going to celebrate is gonna be sleeping by this time. So we're going to party, Nigerian party, an Igbo Nigerian party. Yeah. We're going for the food. And for the vibes, and for the music, and for the culture. You know? Let's go and party the Nigerian way. Let's go and show you how we party the Nigerian way. Uri, let's go and show you how we party the Nigerian way. It's a given. I even applied blush. Wow. See my blush. I applied blush. I look good, you know. Hey, I look fine. Oh, I look good. Even though the light is not doing justice, but I mean, I think I look good. I tried with the makeup. Yeah. Tried. If I leave this hair to fly, it's gonna be a problem. So it's good that I just clipped it at the back. This wig should not fall off my head. Okay, let's go and party. After working Kiloku, body logo, Tamaja,
This guy should even drive.
Don't mind them, they'll be driving
He's driving too slow.
anyhow.
Thank you.